Yo! Alright, so this is the ultimate productivity hack. You don't need any other productivity hack or method other than this video. Alright, so listen up. Listen closely. Alright, listen up and listen closely.
Listen, look, and listen and learn.
I'm gonna give you guys the best and ultimate productivity hack. In case you are like in a rut, in case you are like feeling you're lost and you don't know what to do, and you can't really think straight, you can't really have like a clear sense of mind in order to think of the next step in whatever it is that you're thinking, or whatever problems or whatever issues that you're facing, right? Let me tell you guys something. The ultimate hack to get out of it, or to, in order to give you a better headspace to think through and to tackle the whatever problem it is that you might have, go for a workout. Get a pump, right? Get the ultimate pump. Go for a workout, lift some weights, right? Cue some chest, cue some back, right? Go for a run. The ultimate one, I would say, is a run. Going for the runner's high. Chasing the runner's high. That's the most ultimate high you can ever get, man. Nothing else. That's like the nature's high, man. Let's not talk about the other ones, right? The other plant that we're talking about, right? But I'm talking about what God gave us, right? In terms of our body. In terms of what we have already in our hands, that we can actually use and do it right now. Fitness! That's what I'm trying to say. End of the day, it's fitness. The bottom line is fitness. That's all we have to do, and that's all we need in order to tackle any issues that we may have. But whatever it is, right? Everybody is always talking about, go for a run, go and exercise, go and do your weightlifting, go and have a workout, this and that. For good reason, right? It's always for good reason. No successful people on earth, right? I'm not saying I'm the most successful person on earth, but I'm trying to be, right? As all of us are. So most of the people, they always advocate fitness, right? Working out. No one ever says that, I don't work out, right? I don't work out, I don't exercise. So, I'm able to achieve so and so. It's always about working out. Everyone is like, they always add fitness into their lifestyle. They always add fitness into their routine, to their work routine, to their personal life, to their professional life, whatever it is. Fitness. Fitness is a thing that really helps us to bring us from one point to another point, from point A to point B. If you are stuck, right? If you're trying to get from point A to point B and then you are stuck in the middle and you can't exactly figure out the way, or trying to re-strategize, to get to the point B, go for a workout, man. Just stop whatever it is you're doing, get out of your office, right? Get out of your computer, get out of whatever it is that you are in, go for a walk, right? Simply go for a walk. Even just going for a walk, right? It's gonna solve like most of the issues already, right? It's gonna help you. It's gonna help you put you in a better headspace. And that's most important. If you're in a good headspace, you're going to be able to think properly. You're going to be able to think of other things, right? Let all the thoughts marinate in your head and then let it do its thing, right? And then sometimes, right, you don't really even need to think about it when you're going for a walk. When you're exercising, right, don't even think about it, right? I mean, you can, right? But that's not the point, right? The point is that just let them marinate at the back of your head. Don't even think about it, right? In your head, right? Let your brain do its thing. It will do its thing, right? It will for sure do its thing. You don't even have to actively think about it. Just let it be, right? Just let it be. Focus on the present, right? Meaning to say that if you're exercising, focus on it, right? Mind-muscle connection, right? That's also another important thing, right? You cannot just go through the motions and then just think that you're going to have a fantastic workout. No, it doesn't work that way. If you really want to get hypertrophy, if you really want to grow in the gym, you want to grow this, grow that, right? Get bigger bicep, get bigger legs, whatever. Hey, man. You gotta get your mind and muscle connection dialed in, right? You can't just go through emotions, man. That's not the way. That is not the way, right? So you really have to be present, right? You really have to be present. So sometimes, right, when I am working out, if I work out with a buddy or two, right, when I'm in the middle of my set, when I'm doing my set, and sometimes if we are having a conversation beforehand, and then they are still talking, and then when I'm already in my set, I'll just go silent, right? I'll go silent, and then they just carry on talking to me, right? But I won't answer at all, right? Then soon after that, right, they kind of realize that, oh, okay, mind muscle connection, right? I kind of explain to them. Obviously, I'm not a douchebag, right? I'm not a bad friend. I'm just suddenly I just ignore them. Obviously, I explain to them, the importance of, being present in your sets, right? So that's what I'm trying to say as well, right? So this is for working out, but we are talking about if you want to really just be productive, right? What I was trying to mention earlier on is that just forget about it, right? Don't think about whatever it is that's bothering you. Just focus on the task at hand. Just forget about it just for 1 hour, right? Just for 1 hour. That's it, right? You don't have to think for an hour, and then just focus on the workout. And then after you're finished with the workout, you're gonna feel so much better. You're gonna feel 10 times better, 100 times better. And then your head, right, it's gonna be clearer. Right? It's gonna be clearer. You can't possibly focus for like 2 hours, 3 hours straight. It's almost impossible. I don't think so. Maybe some of you can, I don't know. But for the most part, I don't think most of us can. I can't, for sure I can't, right? So always have a workout. Go and get your workout, go and pump some weights, go for a run, go for a walk, go for a swim, right? Go for a bike ride, whatever it is, or do some sports, whatever sports that you like, that you enjoy, right? Go and punch the bag, go and kick some bags, go and do some Muay Thai, no time, right? Do some boxing, do some BJJ, whatever it is, right? Just go for a session, right? 1 hour, just 1 hour. I'm only asking for 1 hour. Go and do your workout, and then you'll feel way better. And then afterwards, get back to work. And then you'll feel so much better. Your headspace will be clearer. You're going to be able to think straight. You're going to be able to come up with new ideas. You're going to be able to formulate new ideas. Most of the time, right, most of my ideas, right, actually comes from the gym, right? When I'm not working. Yeah, because sometimes when you're just like sitting down and actively thinking, right, strategizing, trying to brainstorm the next idea or trying to like overcome any form of issues, right? Oftentimes, right, I realize that I can't really do that. Like there's no idea. The idea doesn't come to me when I'm just like sitting down there and then just like straight up focusing, right? It doesn't come to me. But when I get off the chair, go for a walk, get a workout in, somehow, right? Shower thoughts, right? That's what I'm trying to say as well. When you're doing something else, right? Shower thoughts is real, man. Shower thoughts is really a real thing. So many ideas actually came to my head when I was taking a shower. So many times, right? So things like that's what I'm trying to say. Things like that, like when you're not actively trying to like search for the answer, and then just do something else, distract yourself and do something else, right? Most oftenly, the hell is that? More often than not, right? The idea will come to you. The idea will come to you, right? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't think too much about it, right? Although it's quite difficult to actually put yourself in that position to like get up and then don't focus on your work, right? Meaning to say that just sitting down and then just doing the work, it's quite hard, right? For me personally as well. Like sometimes I just want to sit down and then just actively think about it and try to tackle whatever it is that I'm going through. But sometimes it doesn't work that way, right? I'm sure most of you guys or some of you guys can relate as to what I'm trying to say. So, what I'm trying to say is, if you're stuck, if you feel like you don't know what you're doing, whatever issue it may be some relationship issues as well, right? You would know, I would know, we all would know, right? I'm pretty sure, right, most of you guys, right, actually have, for those of you who had relationships before, most of the time, right, when you guys have a quarrel, right, all of a sudden, right, when you guys are like at the top, the boiling point already, and then you guys are still quarreling, you guys are still going at it, then one of you guys just stands up and leave, right? Naturally, right? It always happens that way, right? It's like you cannot take it anymore, and you just stand up and just leave the room, and then like go for a walk, right? That's what you're doing. You're taking a break, right? You're not actively sitting over there anymore. You're not sitting down there talking with your significant other or whoever it is. Maybe not even your significant other. Maybe your colleague, your friend, your parents, whatever it is, your brother or sister, whatever, right? Whenever you are in that kind of like conversations, right? Things are getting intense. Things are getting tensed up as well. You guys always tend to like just stand up and then just leave. Take a breather, right? Take a breather. That's exactly what it is as well, right? So guys, that's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Whatever it is, whatever issues, whatever problem, just stand up, leave, and then go for a walk, and then do whatever it is, and don't think about it, okay? Don't think about it, distract yourself, right? And then come back to it after you're done with your breather, right? Literally, go and take a breather. Take a breather, exercising, right? Go for a run. Get all the breathing that you may need, and then go after it, man. Get back to it, get back to the task at hand, tackle it, resolve it, whatever it is, whatever issues that it may be. You'll be way better, right? You will come up with better solutions. You'll be able to talk better. You'll be in a better headspace. Your temper will be better, and then everything will be better, man. It's a perfect scenario, right? Alright, so that's what I'm trying to say, man. Alright, oh my goodness. Oh, nice. So that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, go and get your workout in. Whatever it is, go for a walk. Start for a walk. Alright, if you don't like working out, if your gym is too far away from you, just go for a walk. Right, go and get your breather in. Get your steps in. Right, get your steps in, and then take some deep breaths in. That's it, man. That is the ultimate productivity hack. If you feel like you're stuck in whatever situation you may be in, whatever life situation, whatever life throws at you, if you can't solve it, you can't handle it, you can't tackle it, you need something else to distract you in order for you to solve it better. Just get out of whatever place you may be in at that period of time where you're doing the active thinking. Get out of there, get a breather, and then get back at it. Alright, so that's my advice. Alright, so go get your workout in.